Is this how you feel in the morning? Change your day with our Natural Beauty Diffuser Blend. We have a super simple way to do so with our Natural Beauty Diffuser Blend. It's a great way to make your home or room smell amazing. To make this recipe, grab your essential oil recipe box, and grab Beauty Within Essential Oil Blend, Tea Tree, and Amyris essential oils.
And if you love this blend as much as I do, you're gonna wanna grab your 5 milliliter bottle so you can make a master blend. You'll also need a diffuser. So you're gonna wanna grab your essential oils, your Beauty Within, you're gonna wanna put 3 drops onto your diffuser, 1 drop of Tea Tree, and then 1 drop of Amyris. And remember, this oil is thick, so it may take a while for that drop to come out, but be patient.
And it smells amazing. This is a ceramic diffuser where the material of the diffuser naturally diffuses the oil. You can also use a diffuser you plug into the wall, or a nebulizer, or even just like a wooden bead. It can all act as diffusers. If you love this recipe, which you will because it smells amazing, you can make a master blend using 60 drops of Beauty Within, 20 drops of Tea Tree, and 20 drops of Amyris.
And don't forget to put the label on it. See, isn't that easy?
A great way to incorporate essential oils into your daily life and make your morning better.
So go ahead and subscribe to our recipe box.
So you get everything you need for this recipe and more. We'll teach you how to use essential oils so that you'll be using them every day.
So go to simplyearth.com/box. Thanks for watching.
Is this how you feel in the morning? Make your day more beautiful with our Natural Day Diffuser Blend. Natural Beauty Diffuser Blend.